Want to remove that annoying horizontal scroll in Elementor? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so your site looks clean and professional in no time. But before that, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and shared it with your friends. Now first, open your browser and log into the back end of your WordPress website. Once you're in, head over to the page where you're facing the horizontal scroll issue and click on Edit with Elementor from the top admin bar. This will launch the Elementor editing panel. From the top menu, click on Site Settings. In the menu that appears, scroll down and select Custom CSS. You'll now see a blank field where you can enter your code. This is where you need to paste a particular CSS code that you see on the screen. After that, just hit the Save Changes button at the bottom. And that's it. You've removed the horizontal scroll from your Elementor layout easily. All the web pages I design are built with Elementor. It's my secret weapon. You can also use the link below to see what it can do for you. If this tip helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.